This is just a quick video on showing you how you stagger penny tile so you don't get the sheet lines. As you can see, I have each row staggered. The straight line rows that are going left to right, the horizontal lines anyways, I stagger them by half a sheet. That way it's a lot easier to hide the sheet lines, because if you just run them in rows, you'll get the sheet lines and it's really obvious. You can kind of see up there in the right hand corner the sheet line, the bottom left corner of the sheet up there. This is just to help get rid of the sheet lines, and just gotta stagger them. It does take quite a bit of time to get it just perfect though, so take your time, do it right.